Friends, welcome to my second session of EFT. It is said that the enemy outside is less powerful than the enemy inside. But at the same time, the power inside is much more mightier than the power outside. The healing power which we have, in front of that, corona is nothing. Forget about corona. You can fight cancer, you can fight diabetes, you can fight blood pressure, you can fight any damn thing. Believe in yourself. The universe has provided you with all types of healing. We are the most evolved species on earth, but we are the most frightened species on the earth. Have you seen the birds or the animal kingdom? They have no power. They have no power. They have just surrendered to the power of universe. And they are much more healthier than us. So first thing first, fight the fear inside. Be fearless. When I say be fearless, obviously I'm not promoting to violate the rule of the land. The precautions need to be taken. I'm not promoting not to take precautions. What I'm promoting and what I'm saying is, even if you are sitting at your home, staying at home, and preventing the spread of disease, that's one part of it. But don't get panicked living inside your bedroom or your room. Don't get panicked. Do something creative. I don't know what. Maybe you wanted to paint something, you wanted to learn singing, you wanted to learn dancing. Forget about the age, any age, forget it. Age is just a number. You wanted to, whatever you want to do, this is the time. This is the time because you are not stressed about your career, and for the first time in your life, you all must have realized that जिसके लिए हम पीछे भागते थे वो तो मिथ्या और मोह माया ही थी. We were so much engrossed in our career. We spoiled our life. Make a life, not a living. That's what my friend Mahesh Sharma always says, make a life, not a living. Live your life here. So, signing off with the testimony of one of my neighbors who's practicing this practice of EFT and Om Mantra healing. That's also, I'll be putting up videos of that as well. Both the things in set, neither you will get old, neither you will have diseases. Even if you get the disease you will fight the disease away. I'm not saying that I don't get sick or I don't get, cough or cold, but it vanishes away fast. It just, without medicine, it's just like this. So yeah, don't get depressed, don't get anxious. The universe is there. He'll take care of you. If you have suffered some losses in the business, don't worry. New opportunities will come. When the fire kills destroys all the forest of Amazon, or the plant kingdom or the animal kingdom, there are seeds which will be sown for the next forest, a better one. So yeah.
हालांकि मेरा ये रोग बहुत पुराना है, इसकी वजह से काफ़ी परेशानी रही है. फिर भी जब से मैंने ये ट्रीटमेंट शुरू किया तब से मुझे कुछ ना कुछ लाभ होना शुरू हो गया और लाभ हो रहा है. धन्यवाद करता हूँ आपका. मैं अपने आप को स्वीकार करता हूँ और अपने आप से प्यार करता हूँ. मेरा रोग ठीक हो रहा है. हो गया.
अंकल जी आपका नाम क्या है?
रमेश आहूजा।
अच्छा, आपको क्या मतलब बीमारी सता रही है?
मेरे को बीमारी यूरिन प्रॉब्लम रही है पिछले 15 सालों से।
हाँ जी,
कई बार ट्रीटमेंट करा चुका हूँ, ऑपरेशन भी करा चुका हूँ, कोई लाभ नहीं हो रहा था।
हाँ
जब
जी।
से ये मैंने शुरू किया तब से थोड़ा थोड़ा तिल घटता जा रहा है और लाभ हो रहा है।
ठीक है।
धन्यवाद करता हूँ मैं इस ट्रीटमेंट करवाने वालों का
नहीं नहीं,
जिन्होंने मुझे शुरू किया।
थैंक यू।
तो
आप लोगों को रिकमेंड करेंगे कि लोग भी ये चीज़
हाँ
करें?
हाँ, ऐसा ट्रीटमेंट करें लोग। तो इसमें तो ना कोई दवाई लगती है ना कुछ,
हाँ,
और अपना स्वास्थ्य भी बना रहेगा और परेशानी से बचे रहेंगे।
और नुकसान तो वैसे भी कोई है ही
नुकसान
नहीं।
तो है ही नहीं इसका।
ठीक, धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।
हाँ हाँ।
This was Mr. Ramesh Ahuja, age 72, and his testimonial. He's been practicing EFT and Om Mantra healing for the last 10 days. He's suffering from urinary inflammatory challenges, and that was bothering him for the last 15 years. He's consulted all types of doctors and all medicines and every types of medicines. He's got operated twice, let me tell you, twice, and still he has no respite. And he's been practicing this for the last 10 days, and he's become an ardent follower. He comes to his terrace at exact 7 o'clock before that and starts practicing this. He's made it a practice of practicing this at least 3 to 4 times a day, and he's improving. If he can, at this age, anybody can. Believe.